Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the all-new 2021 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power and excellent fuel efficiency with obvious four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back, you have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. And under this rugged cargo cover, you do have your fifth full-size spare with compartments around it for other necessary tools or equipment. You also have a 12-volt power outlet and multiple hooks around here, as well as having your articulatable lights here on your hatch so you can light up the area around or your campsite, whatever you want to say. And then once you close this, you do also have a separately opening glass hatch if you just want quick access. And then looking at the back seat, we have seating for three comfortably with fold-out armrests and two cup holders in the middle, and a USB and USB-C down here. And the backs of the front seats do also have some zippered pouches with some strapping here, so you can hook some things into there. This vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information, your My View with a digital speedometer, driver assist settings, navigation, radio and phone controls, and information such as warnings and service info. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with adaptive cruise control, so you can kind of set your distance that you're staying from the vehicle ahead of you. And then you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Also have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can have an easier time hooking up a small trailer or something of the sort. Moving down from that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your hazards, and your media controls, obviously. Little cubby here for your device or something, and then your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay cozy in the colder months. And down below here you have a cubby area with a wireless charging pad, so if your phone is compatible, just throw it on there and it will begin to charge. You also have a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in there too. And then you have your main shifter here on a dial, very convenient. You have your parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector. So it's, I believe, goes over any terrain is the acronym there. But you have normal, sand, and then eco, sport, and slippery, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then moving on, you have your center compartment / armrest, which is very spacious and also has another 12-volt inside. And then last but not least, you do have a power moonroof up top, so you can land in the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.